Hello, I'm Kat and I work for a company called Altmetric. I'm here today to talk to you about the partnership between Altmetric and Ingenta Connect. So what is Altmetric? We're a data science company who track the online attention for individual research outputs across thousands of sources, including the mainstream media, social networks, policy documents and other scholarly and non-scholarly forums. Our data provides a real-time record of the online engagement relating to research and helps authors get credit for their work. In 2015, we signed an agreement with Ingenta Connect to offer easy integration of the Altmetric badges to publishers who host their content on the Ingenta Connect platform. We already work with many leading publishers, funders, and institutions around the world, all of whom use our interactive badges and other tools to track and report on the online reach and influence of research. So why are Altmetrics important? Researchers are facing more competition than ever for funding, for jobs, for visibility. Altmetrics can help them reach these goals. Our data provides immediate feedback for all types of research outputs, helping scholars from all disciplines better demonstrate its value to key stakeholders. These insights also provide publishers, funders, and administrators within institutions with a new level of insight into their published content and can help them make much more informed strategic decisions. So what do Altmetrics actually look like? You might already be familiar with our donut badge. It can be found across thousands of journal articles, institutional repositories, and platforms such as European PubMed. The colourful donut and Altmetric attention score in the middle provide an at-a-glance indicator of the volume and type of attention an individual research item has received. The higher the score, the more attention the item has had. The colours of the donut change depending on which sources the item is mentioned or shared in. Red indicates mainstream media coverage, yellow is blogs, and light blue is Twitter, for example. Visitors to these sites can click on the donut badge to access the Altmetric details page for each item. And here's what the details page looks like. They're custom branded for each publisher and provide a full record of all of the online attention we've tracked for each item. You can see the summary of mentions on the left and have the option to click onto each tab to view all of the original mentions. Researchers can also register to receive an email alert when the item receives new attention online. Crucially, the details page tells you not just how much attention an item has received, but who is saying what and why. This context is really important when assessing the influence of a piece of research. If we think about how publishers in particular can make use of this data, there are many applications. Editorial teams can use it to identify trends or emerging authors in specific disciplines, to find out what's popular with certain audiences, and to inform strategic planning. Knowing which content in your journal is really capturing the imagination of a broader audience is a powerful tool to have. Altmetrics can help marketing teams measure the effectiveness of outreach campaigns and highlight papers that might be worth further attention. And sales teams can use the data to see where the content is getting traction. Are there particular audiences or institutions that have a content gap? At the Altmetrics conference this year, Cornelia Young from Wiley shared some of the ways they are using Altmetrics. As well as using them to identify and promote popular articles, they are monitoring and building on existing engagement to create communities of interest and to help authors connect with each other. Altmetrics provide a new way of looking at your content that can drive some really exciting initiatives. Here you can see examples of where JAMA, Taylor & Francis and Kaga have created special content collections based on their most popular articles, and many other publishers are doing similar things. Of course, the most important people in all of this are the authors. Providing feedback to them is a core part of what Altmetrics are about, and you can see from some of our most recent feedback that they are indeed finding this data useful. In a Wiley survey, over 77% of respondents said that they felt that article-level metrics enhance the value of a journal, with many indicating that the presence of such metrics would make them more likely to submit to the journal. The Ingenta Connect partnership makes it really easy for you to get the Altmetric badges for your articles. We'll build customized details pages for your content, and the Ingenta team will take care of the technical side to help you showcase a commitment to innovation and raising the visibility of scholarly research. So if you're interested to learn more about Altmetric and how you can get the badges integrated into your journal article pages, please get in touch with your Ingenta Connect account manager. They'll help you get started and work with Altmetric to make sure your implementation is quick and easy.